front, I swing them around and then up into the butterfly. And then the sensation when you're over your head is a front to back motion. Keep your left one there. Your left one's gonna stay there. And then take your right one, swing it around, tap your butt, and then turn to the left. And then come down in front of you into a counterclockwise corkscrew. Over your head like this. And you're gonna bring it down, tap your butt, swing, 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 swing. You're just, you're spinning while the other hand's over your head. And then you're gonna come down in front of you, counterclockwise, down and up. We're up here like this in overhand. All right, you're up here overhand, come down, tap your butt, spin around, and then down, up, down, up, down, up. You're gonna come down, tap your butt, spin, and then down and counterclockwise, then up, down, and up. And now if we tried both hands, you're in your overhand butterfly here. So we're ignoring the thread the needle part for right now. You come down with your right hand, tap your butt, turn, and you're just spinning your left one over your head, and then come into the counterclockwise corkscrew. And you can use whatever timing you want. When your right hand taps, okay, so you're like this, if I show you from the side, this might make more sense. When the poi is at the front of the turn, it's gonna come down, tap your butt, and then you reverse horizontally. So you're just spinning in a horizontal circle like this. If you're in your butterfly and you come down and tap and you don't spin fast enough, the poi falls. And so what you did was when it fell, you did a loop below and then a twirl, and then a loop below and then a twirl, and then a loop below and then a twirl, and then a loop below and then a twirl. And that's fine too. That's a nice variation also. Butterfly, tap, loop, twirl, loop, twirl, loop, twirl into my corkscrew. Only I went into the 4-beat instead of the 2-beat for a second there. So if I turned once, it would look like this. Butterfly, tap, turn, and then my corkscrew. Right? And that's great. You don't have to turn multiple times. You're in your butterfly, which eventually will turn this into the thread the needle. You come down, tap, turn, corkscrew, and now I want you to try and plane shift your corkscrew up to your pinwheel so that you can go into your fountain